I got this nail polishing pen off of Amazon. It's actually more of a filer type thing. That's what I use these for. I have one already that plugs in. I don't, a lot of people use these pens to file nails, gel nails, and smooth those out. What I primarily use mine for is I use press-on nails. I make my own press-on nails. When I take them off, the glue gets stuck. Sometimes I just need to file them and smooth them, and that's what I use mine for. Of course, you can use it for various things, but let's go ahead and take a look on what's inside. You get the main device right here, which is this really beautiful pink. Let me take it out and show you. I don't have it charged right now, so I will charge it. It does have this right here. And then it comes with this right here, which is your different filing devices and grinders and stuff. And you've got your little sandpaper-ish things up here. Of course, it comes with your little charger plug and a manual here. And on the back of the manual, it shows you what all the different heads are for, so that's important too. So I'm going to charge it, and I'll come back and show you how it works. Okay, so it's not completely charged, but I'm going to show you how it turns on, which is this button right here. And you see it's on. You can go up, down with speed, and of course you reverse it. Very easy to use. Of course, I don't have anything on it right now, but it's really easy just to pop on. So this is a really easy to use device, and you can take it anywhere. I like the portability of it. I like the fact that I could take it anywhere without having wires attached, so I think that's right. Anyways, check it out, see what you think, let me know your thoughts below.